I just dropped my fork. Yay. It is Saturday, June the 30th, everybody, of 2012. Tonight, my Uncle Mike is having his 4th of July festivities. Mom and Carol are coming back from Boonville. I have been asleep all day. I don't know what happened. I just fell asleep in the chair and I was out. I had a dream my face was getting eaten off by wolves. That's not a good way to wake up, I guess, but my face is still here. You can see it. It's here. So that's what we're doing. I don't know how much of the day I'll film, so you'll either see more of this beautiful, not wolf-eaten off face, or you will see fireworks. And my little book closed. I don't know if I showed this off when we went to the plaza for Sarah's birthday. We went to the little hibachi grill, and while we were waiting, we went to. I think I showed that off. We were in Barnes & Noble, and I found this. So I'm going to give that to Mom today, and specifically, I hadn't done this yet either, because I knew somewhere in the book I wanted to write this, because that was what our little saying was when I was younger. I think I may have mentioned this before. That we used to tell each other "I love you" whole bunches. So of course, on a book that I'm going to be giving Mom, I have to put that somewhere in there. So I thought it'd be cute to have the little duck say that.
Okay. Yeah, I had her leave the trunk open.
Oh, okay. This is for you. Oh, get out of the way, Bright Eyes. I can't see. I'm filming.
I'm a lucky duck. Oh, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool. I like that.
Now you just gotta.
I love you whole bunches.
You're just gonna learn to read.
Yeah, I'm not gonna read it right now because that would take too long. So.
Don't learn to read. It's a different thing.
You go potty? You go potty? You go potty? Let's go potty.
Does he need to go potty?
Oh God!
I timed that just right. And there's Sugar. There's Sugar. Oh, you all still haven't seen the video where Mom picks this cat up. And that's Mom's phone going off. Oh my God. Thought it was going to attack me. And this is the new kitty. Oh, new kitty. I don't know this one's name. Oh, and it doesn't like me yet. But this is the one my mom... Hey! It used to run around outside my Aunt Mala's house. And Mom took it in. So, it's still getting used to me, and probably doesn't like that I have a camera in its face. Oh, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes. This one might be named Cinnamon. Mom mentioned Cinnamon. So that is Cinnamon's tail. Okay, we're friends now. I hope so, because apparently you're sleeping in here with me tonight, so... It's good that we're friends. Even if I don't know your name yet. That's how all the best relationships start, right? This is... Oh, she just showed me something. This is their garden that they have out here. You have what? Okra. Spice is enjoying the outside. Okra. Yay, you can have your own little farmer's market. And where'd it go? I can't see in my sunglasses.
The beetle, or whatever it is, yeah.
No, it's not on that leaf. Where'd he go? He disappeared. Never mind. Spice. Hiding under there. Back there.
3 of them, yeah. In there. 1 here. Oh my goodness, it's going to be cold. I haven't got time now, though.
There's some green tomatoes over there. And then asparagus on here.
Asparagus. Oh, look at all these tomatoes starting to get done.
Oh, there's some green.
Yeah, I'll do this. Pick this stuff tomorrow. I ain't got time. Water.
This could be funny for a minute here.
It's coming out the top.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, so I guess I could go ahead and put a little on the cucumber since I'm here.
Yeah.
But
Spice is thirsty.
huh?
I said Spice is thirsty.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try the produce here. I'm gonna get it to squirt all over me. That is a good tomato.
They are good tomatoes.
And bell peppers too.
Those are banana peppers.
Banana peppers, whatever.
Bell peppers.
And then that's what Mom just grabbed out in the garden. And Spice has his ice water. Yum. And this is where Sugar has decided to keep herself for the moment. Luckily that'll make her easy to grab when Mom needs to leave. Somebody should tell Kitty that's not how you use a spoon.
That's funny.
Oh, he's actually even broken it. I'm just waiting for him to roll off the table. I thought I was just heard Mom come back. She's left for the party. I'm gonna stay over here and do my laundry and go over a little bit later so I can get the laundry taken care of. But she mentioned these bell peppers needed to be eaten. You know how I like to stick things in my mouth. So I guess they've been up there for a while. But she said this one, the bigger one, is because she said something about she left the other one out there too long, and they need to be eaten. So I'm going to go ahead and give this. What you can remember what she called them. I can't. Tastes just like a pepper should, I guess. I've never had one of these specifically, but I have had the, the green, I guess, the bell peppers. I don't know whatever the heck this is, but it is, it's Martheev approved. Laura is ready for the fireworks. I don't remember.
We're gonna keep Laura in here out of the heat, so. Yeah. Mike figured it'd be better.
Making her own fireworks.
Wait. He's doing stuff with just JD. Did you know JD lost his dad?
I didn't know there was more to it. Focuses after it's over. Nice. He's getting ready to light another one. Mine keeps going in and out of focus though.
Why aren't they working?
That one probably didn't do much. Holly's got her camera too. And she's breaking stuff. I think that one was a surprise.
I have no idea where the fireworks are.
It's out there where the fire is, hon. But I don't know if it's gonna go off or not. It's just kind of sitting there. I think it's just on fire.
I don't know where Daddy's at. Is it down the steps? We're going to sit right here. Ooh, good spot. I
Can't seem to find the
We're not going all the way
Yeah, I
down.
don't see nobody but us.
They got it. I think.
I can't find it. People like I think Karen.
Karen and Bruno.
You all still in Concordia?
Oh, we live in Emma. We
Yeah,
bought,
yeah, Emma.
we bought the house. I don't want us. Too loud.
Can't tell if that's stuff going off over in Lexington or what.
I like it though.
But we'll end up with some eventually.
I saw. I want to sit up here next to Grandma. Grandma.
Whoa!
Whoops! I'm zooming in. Should be zooming out. Missed that one.
Me too. That's what I told him.
Thomas the Train set. It was half off. That made $89. Yeah. But it was a huge track trying to make that table. And each did it make it bigger. You think that fell over when she walked in? That's an Amtrak.
And the moon.
Why do you think it's in the moon?
Let's see if I can get it. I can't. Were they bands you knew?
What?
Were they bands you knew?
No.
No?
Well, yeah.
Oh yeah?
They're Firefly and this one girl named Mandisa.
Mandisa? Oh, she was from American Idol, I think. Was she a big black woman? Yeah, that's probably the one from American Idol. Was she there?
What?
Was she at the concert? No? Well, maybe you'll like her music anyway.
I know some of her songs.
Everybody's locked out. Nobody can get in.
Holly, sweetheart, can you go downstairs? Come back. Come back
Child
up.
labor.
Child labor.
I got that on camera, you know.
Thank you very much.
There goes a train.
That was it?
I can zoom in on that.
Yeah.
Now,
Just turn it.
More
All you gotta do
fireworks.
is turn the handle. Just open it. There we go. Yeah. Oh.
Hello.
hello. Oh, there goes some more.
I'm helping take
Going
care of
a little-
McQuillan's baby.
Oh, yeah?
Go do it some more. Be nice. My best friend's lucky.
Do up?
My best friend, Nana, she's lucky.
Oh, why's that?
She gets to watch fireworks in Florida.
Oh, cool.
need to go up, Jason.
Wow. That was a good firework. Woo! Woo!
Almost missed that one.
Scared you, Ralph? Scared you, did it?
Wasn't paying attention. There it goes, Gary.
Oh, that one hit the roof behind us somewhere.
Sounds like a bunch of birds.
Yeah, it does.
Bunch of people. It's about to shoot. Time and then I got another break. Banana.
Yeah? I guess that one's done.
I'm like, I thank you for cutting off. You can't hardly ever find shoes for them.
Get you a different size.
But then what we're completely ready for junior high. Junior high compared to high school.
I think we had one fall over.
Dangerous. What happened? One of the containers that they fell over.
They know to run. They're professionals.
Yeah, here I'm graduate.
Oh yeah?
And Holly's gonna graduate in 2020.
Yeah? Oh yeah?
We should get a better view if you could go down there.
I don't know. Because I'm up over here, I can see down on it. It's not focusing very good.
First floor to drive.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
Should be able to see them pretty good then.
This is in his 70s, which Trotman will probably be retired by then. So you'll probably have the rest of the same teachers by then. Unless they decide to switch schools.
I guess that one's not gonna do anything. Yeah.
Arms, they just have long legs. They're like me, spider birds. Things are smarter than
Yeah. Uh-oh. That one fell over too. What would you do if a firework came at you, Holly?
I would throw it at Donkey Kong.
Oh, wait. It's doing something. No, it's not.
Over there.
There's something. Well, I can't.
The smoke around it?
Come here, you can see the light.
Oh, there it goes. Whatever it is. Oh, we got these going on over here.
Jason, is he trying to... Jason is retarded.
No, he's not. He's a good guy. So be nice.
So is Kaylee.
And not. I got 2 medals in math relays.
Oh.
I'm a brainiac.
Mm-hmm.
Now you're on YouTube.
I don't care.
Both of you are already on YouTube, you know.
I know.
Duh.
I don't really care.
Oh.
I want to try to go on America's Got Talent.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
You gonna use some of my YouTube vlogs for your video submission?
No.
She's gonna go. Yeah, my flip flops don't break.
Oh, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, this is why the pool is a good game. He just flicked me in the head and called me a little nerd.
Oh,
He's
yeah?
a little nerd.
Yeah. You is really nice.